Hi, fifth grade grammar screencast for this week. This week we are doing unit 7 or lesson 7 in the grammar workshop book. So it's just one lesson this week, lesson 7. We've talked about sentences, 4 kinds of sentences. Do you remember what they are? Declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. We've talked about the parts of the sentence, the subject, the predicate. We've talked about simple subjects and complete subjects, simple predicates and complete predicates, and compound subjects and compound predicates. This week we're going to move on to compound sentences. If a compound subject is 2 simple subjects joined with a coordinating conjunction, usually and or, the lions and the tigers roared loudly. What's my compound subject in there? Lions, tigers, okay? And a compound predicate is 2 simple predicates joined with a coordinating conjunction, usually and or. The elephants ate and drank all day long. What's my compound predicate? Ate and drank. Let's put 2 lines under that. We usually put 2 lines under a predicate. So if a compound subject is 2 simple subjects joined with a coordinating conjunction, and a compound predicate is 2 simple predicates joined with a coordinating conjunction, then it makes sense that a compound sentence is 2 simple sentences joined with a coordinating conjunction. So a simple sentence like, the tree lost its leaves. Here's my simple subject. My simple subject is tree. My simple predicate is lost. Okay. Here's another simple sentence. The flowers wilted. Okay. Here's my simple subject, the who or what the sentence is about. Here's my simple predicate, what my subject is doing or being. Here's my simple predicate, the flowers are wilting. So to make a compound sentence, the tree lost its leaves and the flowers wilted. All right, instead of having 2 short simple sentences, I have 1 longer compound sentence. And it's joined with one of those coordinating conjunctions and something else. The 3 most common coordinating conjunctions that join simple sentences are and, or, and one more we add to the list, but. And joins sentences that are related somehow, or joins sentences that show a choice, and but joins 2 sentences that show a contrast. Let's take a look. The teachers ordered pizza and the students chose hamburgers. Okay? Both of those sentences are related somehow in that they're related in that 2 groups of people are picking what they want to eat, probably for lunch. Mrs. Anselmo drank Coke, but the other teachers sipped coffee. That coordinating conjunction in here, but, shows a contrast. I drank one thing, other teachers drank something else. For dessert, we could choose ice cream, or we could toast marshmallows. Okay? This or is giving a choice, choosing one thing or toasting another. Okay? So, and 2 similar related items, but a contrast, one thing, another group, another things, and this or giving a choice. But in all cases, we've got 2 simple sentences joined with a coordinating conjunction. 3 most common, and, but, and or. Did you notice that in each compound sentence, there was something else joining the sentence besides the coordinating conjunction? Let's look again. Do you see it there? Some kind of punctuation, right? In every sentence, we saw what? We saw the coordinating conjunction and we saw the comma. The comma, I don't know what's wrong, it won't move. Let's see if it'll move. There you go, the comma. It's the world's largest comma. When you combine two simple sentences to make a compound sentence, you always, 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 always have to use a comma. Always. Use a comma and a coordinating conjunction. This is kind of cool. There are no exceptions to that rule. Rare for the English language, but no exceptions to that rule. Using just a conjunction is wrong. Using just a comma is wrong. You need, must, always, always, no exceptions. Use a comma and a conjunction. All right, practice this week with simple and compound sentences is Chapter 7. Listen carefully to this assignment because it's a little different. Practice sections A, B, and C. A, B, and C. I don't want anyone coming in and forgetting to do that C. We've been only doing A and B, but this week it's A, B, and C. Okay? Lesson 7, A, B, and C. Secret message this week. Let's see. Secret message this week. What must you always use with a coordinating conjunction? A coordinating conjunction isn't enough. What must you always use with a coordinating conjunction to make a compound sentence? Send me the answer to that question as this week's grammar secret message. Thanks for watching.